guys, and welcome to this flight attendant vlog. If you're new here, my name is Bree. I work as a flight attendant in Australia. I'm currently in Darwin. We arrived here last night, so we flew 3 flights to get here. We did a Launceston return out of Melbourne and then to Darwin. But we have 24 hours here in Darwin. So the captain's actually hiring a van right now and the whole crew are going to go on a little road trip around Darwin, which is so exciting. I've never actually left the Darwin city, and if you're not familiar with Darwin, Australia, Darwin's like at the top of Australia, and there's like incredible national parks, wildlife. It's just, yeah, it's a very unique place. And so I've never been able to see like the beautiful waterfalls and cliffs and rock formations and red dirt and all that kind of stuff up here. So yeah, I'm really excited. Before this trip, it was so funny, I was even looking at doing like a tour, like a paid tour, which would have cost like $300, but hiring a van and we're just gonna split the cost, like equals like 20 bucks each or something, plus fuel and things. But it's like way more affordable, and I'll be able to do it with people, which is good. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm gonna bring you guys with me, of course, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you're new here, I am pregnant, but I'm like in that weird stage where like it's like, oh, is she pregnant, or is she just, did she just have like a big lunch? Like I'm not that like huge yet. I'm 18 weeks, which is actually crazy because that's almost halfway is 20 weeks, so I can't believe it. It's gone so freaking fast. I only have maybe like 10 more weeks of flying, and then my company like grounds you, so they give you other duties, which is really good. Anyways, I'm all ready, so let's have a fantastic day. Let's explore Darwin, and I hope you enjoy this video.
Our first pit stop on this little adventure day was the Wetlands View Top. It has an information centre, interactive displays, a cafe, and an amazing viewing point of the wetlands.
Hi guys, so we've just made it to the Jumping Rock cruise. So excited. We're going to see some crocodiles jumping.
There's a few crocodile cruises in the area. We opted for the original Jumping Crocodile cruise, which is actually a family-owned business. The cruise goes for 1 hour along the Adelaide River, and it costs $65 per person. I genuinely wouldn't have chosen to do this cruise if it wasn't for the rest of the crew members wanting to do it, because I thought it was going to be really lame, but it was actually really dope, and it's something I would recommend anyone visiting Darwin to go and do. What I liked most about it was the up close and personal encounters with the crocs, the educated and informative guide, and all the things we learnt about the crocodiles.
He's around that 5'2" and probably 700 kilos, so no lightweight, something you have to take really seriously. Many years ago, I did some work for the coroner's office, and they had to investigate the death of a spearfisherman. But he actually swallowed the spearfisherman whole. Oh God. When you hear a bit of splashing like this, it's just basically, this sounds like the ice cream truck to kids. This is what it is for crocs. That's why if you put a life jacket on now and try to swim across there, you'd feel. Okay, here we go.
Wow. We've made it to some termite mounds, and check this one out. This one is freaking huge.
Termite mounds in Darwin are intricate, towering structures built by termites using soil and organic materials, serving as climate-controlled habitats and vital components of the local ecosystem.
So we've just come to Litchfield National Park, and we're here at Florence Falls, I believe it's called. I'm just having a quick little lunch break. I read online that they did have changing facilities here, but they actually don't. So me and like the other girl crew member, we like went in the bush and like got changed. But I'm excited to go for a swim because I'm literally sweating so much. It's been such a fun little day trip. Sorry I haven't spoken much to the camera. I think when you're like around people, you kind of want to live in the moment a bit. So I've been filming a lot on my phone. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the shots so far. The crocodile thing this morning was absolutely dope.
So if you do anything in Darwin, I would highly recommend Florence Falls. It's a stunning natural attraction in Litchfield National Park, offering opportunities for swimming and hiking. It is a safe waterhole to swim in without the fear of being eaten by a crocodile, because you have to be really careful in the Northern Territory where you swim, as there are crocs everywhere, even in the ocean. Hello guys, back in my room. Oh my gosh, today was such a fun day. It was like the best thing that we could have done in the time that we were here. It's currently 5:50 and I'm just about to order room service because we're actually doing the red-eye flight home tonight. So I have to be downstairs at around, I think it's like 11:15, 11:30. I have like around 5 hours and I'm gonna try and have a sleep because, as I said, I'm doing the red-eye, so I'm gonna be flying through the night and I land back into Melbourne at, I think it's at like 5:30 a.m. I'm gonna take you through my red-eye routine. Oh, my husband's calling me. Hello, handsome.
Hey, what you doing?
I was just doing some vlogging. Say hi to the vlog.
Hey, Bob.
Okay, where were we? To help me like get to sleep, some things I do is I will have a really warm shower, which I've done, and I've gotten in my pajamas. By the way, these are like the cutest pajamas ever. They're from Target and they're in season right now, and they're so like comfortable. So I have a really warm shower because when I have a shower it makes me, kind of tells my brain that I'm getting ready for sleep. And I'm gonna have a big meal that's gonna make me knock out. I think I'm gonna get the chicken korma and then I'm gonna try and sleep for a couple of hours. We had a super busy productive day today, so I feel really tired, and I did fall asleep in the car twice. So I don't know if that's just because I'm pregnant and like I'm just freaking tired all the time. You know when you've been in the heat and the sun all day and you just feel really exhausted and tired? That's how I feel right now because it was like 32 degrees today Celsius. Yeah, really hot. Oh, look at this view. This is so freaking beautiful. The sun is almost setting. Let me show you. So this is Darwin City, a little snippet of it anyway. And can you see out there, there's the water. Out there, there's the water. So beautiful. Hey there, I'm just hoping to order some room service. Thank you, bye. Okay, that was a shambles. Hopefully they call me back. Room service has something, or the restaurant has something wrong with their phone, so hopefully they can call me back soon because I'm starving. Okay, room service is ordered. I've turned off all the lights. I just have my window open at the moment. I'm just gonna leave it open until I have some food and then I'll close it. It's a lot darker in here than it looks like on camera because this lens is f1.8. But anyways, I ordered the chicken korma and I got some sparkling water as a little treat, and I'm excited to gobble that all up and have a big nap. To be honest, even just like laying in my bed, I'm like feeling tired already. Like here comes a yawn, which is a good sign. I usually actually struggle falling to sleep early, especially when I have a red eye, because maybe I don't wear myself out during the day to be able to sleep later, but today I definitely wore myself out. And tonight is a Thursday night and the Mindy Markets is on by the beach, and we were even thinking of going there for dinner, but we were all just so tired. We were just like, nah, I'm just gonna order some food, head to bed and get ready for this flight. Oh my gosh, that looks so freaking yummy. I'm so excited for this. My sparkling water, my chicken korma. Oh my gosh, let's dig in. Yes, I'm eating it in bed. I don't even care. I won't get it on the sheets, don't worry. Oh my gosh, these little papadums. Oh my gosh, so good. Yummy. I love this. Oh, and I've got some sauce. Yum. So I'm obviously getting ready for work now. I had a solid like 2.5 hours of sleep and I actually woke up before my alarm. So I'm feeling like quite rested. I think I'm feeling the best that I've ever felt before doing a red eye. Usually I'm like a bit like tired, or like I didn't get
a good sleep or like I couldn't fall asleep or something like that, but I feel like I just had a really good sleep and was able to completely knock out. I do have the tiniest bit of a headache. I've been drinking loads of water today, but maybe it just wasn't enough because it's been so hot here and we were outside all day, so I need to like chug some more water, I think. I love using this product. You probably can't read it because it's so old, but it's the go-to Schwarzkopf. It's a eyebrow and a hair gel, and I literally brush my like eyebrows up with it, and it like gels them kind of nicely in place so they just stay. And then I also fix up my little flyaways. And it just makes your hair look a bit more polished, more put together. Just thought I'll share this little product. I've used it for years. It was recommended to me by another flight attendant, so you know it's good when that happens. Okay, and this is the packing situation. I don't know why I leave packing to the last minute. Like I really should just do this before I went to sleep so that I'm ready to go, but here we are. What a mess. I have stuff on the bed too. Let's get into it. Pants were like, they were like so hard to do up today. I think I'm gonna have to like start wearing the maternity uniform. The maternity uniform is just like pants or a skirt, and then they've got a blouse that is kind of like a peplum, and it kind of like goes out. It's not like a tuck-in, because this is the current baby bump. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's in there, and this is getting tighter and tighter to do up, so. And I think at this stage, I'm 18 weeks. Just gonna put on some lippy before I head down. Today we're just doing one flight, which is so nice. So it's just one home, which is so good. We land 5:30, I believe. So hopefully everyone on the flight just sleeps and it's an easy flight, and it's almost 11 p.m. It's so weird, like starting work at this time. It's like I'm meant to be finishing work, but that's okay. We're gonna have a good day. Final room check. Did I leave anything? Oh, now I've got to find room for my camera. That's right, I'll find room for it. Room looks good. Let's head downstairs. Bye. Hey guys, I realized that I didn't actually end this vlog, so I wanted to come on and just say thank you for watching this video. Hope you're all doing well. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.